Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kim, America's Holistic Foot Doctor. In this video, you meet my patient who has very crowded toes from previous surgeries. Let's see how I can cut her extremely thick nails and then talk about her surgery. Right here, no?
This guy right there, I hurt more or less on the other one.
This one?
No, the other toe.
Oh, this one? Oh, the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get to that, okay? But not on this side? This side is okay?
This side is okay.
Not bad? Okay. How do you...
Looks bad.
I know, how long your toes been like this? All crowded.
I know.
They all like each other too much.
It's been since you've been working on them.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Have a look at this thing.
That's arthritis and got in them.
Well,
Yeah.
you had surgery years and years and years
Yeah,
ago,
you had surgery here and then,
they went cricket.
yeah, they went kind of down.
Well, last time the times that we've come, we've asked for, how do we get the ones that straighten the toes?
Uh-huh.
Those little things you put on there to straighten them.
Uh-huh. Yeah, those things don't work.
No, they don't. They
Yeah.
don't.
You need like big surgery for this. You have to fix all of it.
Surgery.
Yeah, that's why we don't recommend it. It's too dangerous. You know what I mean?
How did your toes turn cricket when they were always straight? How does that happen?
That's
Yeah, so
arthritis again.
unfortunately when they did the surgery, they removed this bone a little too much.
Okay.
When that happened, the bone gets loose and toe ends up everywhere.
Oh.
To prevent that, what we do is we put a wire here to keep it straight for a while, so it stays in that place.
Okay.
But a lot of doctors don't do that, and then when that happens, this can happen. Not all the time, but
Yeah.
that's what happened here. So I learned quickly, the beginning of my career, to use the wires to keep the toe in a straight place for a long time, so this doesn't happen. But that's what happens sometimes when the
Yeah, that makes it bad.
that makes it like all crowded and
Yeah.
ends up like this, and then it's really difficult to wear shoes.
Yeah, it is.
You're limited on certain shoes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, toes are really crowded here.
When they push something out like that.
Yeah, I know. They all got together.
You know, gotta be
They all friendly toes.
Exactly.
Very friendly family toes.
And this one trying to do the same thing.
It's trying, but not as chummy as the other one. Mm. And then, am I giving you some medication for your nails?
I think there's something for fungus or something.
Yeah, we took samples, right?
Yeah.
And then we give you some medicine. Are you using that?
We haven't been, but we need to.
Yeah. Do you have some?
I think we still have some.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta use that. It'll help you. This one, I'm just gonna grind it down. Okay. Let's start from here. Hi, it's me again. Hope you've been enjoying this video so far. If you have, leave the word crowded toes in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When was that surgery done? A long time ago, huh? I didn't do that, did I?
I think you did.
She's only been coming to you. But this is.
These toes? No, I wouldn't do it
No,
like that.
She was going. Was you guys another location on the land?
Yes, yes.
Was it the father or you? I don't know.
No, father. No, this is yeah, there was a Dutch doctor, Dr. Van Eno. Is that the one?
Whoever was on the land.
Yes. Well, I bought his practice 35 years ago.
They never do.
Huh?
Because that's what
You did good.
Really? No.
you did something. She's only coming to you.
Really?
Our whole family only comes to you.
Yeah? No, it doesn't look like my job, but it could be. But usually that's not what I do.
You got out of hand since you've seen it.
No,
Huh?
she's only come to work with us.
Just me? You've been very loyal, professional mind?
I haven't been coming like I should probably.
Yeah?
No, but back in the day when you first had that first surgery.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm coming in there.
Really? You've never been to any other foot doctor?
Nope.
Really?
She followed you from Atlanta to here.
Really, yeah.
I was here
But-
that long ago. It's been years.
Yeah? Yeah, but I always have 2-3 doctors in my practice. So You know what I mean?
Aren't you Dr. What's your last name?
Kim.
Exactly, you're Dr. Kim. That's what you can come with.
Yeah?
All of our families come to just you.
Just me, huh? Okay. Very good. You're one loyal family, right? All right. Very good. Bring that down a little bit more. None of these nails hurting though, right?
No.
No.
No? Okay. Very good.
How do they get so thick like that?
It's fungus, yeah? Yeah.
That makes it that thick?
Yeah, that's what fungus does. Okay, very good, Ronnie. Thank you for watching this video. As you can see in this video, after surgical correction of hammer toes, toes can end up in all different directions and can be very crowded and painful. Until then, be educated, get empowered, encourage others today.